This video will teach you how to make a great impression on your audience when you speak in public. You'll recall from moving wedding toasts to tear-jerking eulogies to motivating valedictory addresses. Speeches have existed for centuries with people like Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. figuratively killing the game of public speaking with "I have a dream." But how can one deliver a speech with a perfect cadence and skills that leave people hanging on every word? The first one is be organized. Every good speech has 4 major components: the beginning, the middle, the end, and the theme. The beginning of your address should be catchy, immediately capturing your audience's attention. The center should be short, to the point, and not meandering with irrelevant sub-points and diversion. The end should tie everything together, reminding the audience of what the speech was about in the first place. While the theme is the main idea that runs through the speech and holds it together. 2. Be memorable. A good speech remains with the audience for a long time, even if they can't recall what it was all about. As poet Maya Angelou once noted, "I have learned that people will forget what you said. People will forget what you did, but they will never forget how you made them feel." So remember to incorporate the relevant anecdote into the speech, or even using stage prop will create a vivid image for your audience while also passing your message across effectively. 3. Be engaging. No one wants to listen to a boring speech, and neither does anyone want their time wasted. You do both when you speak in a matter your audience finds hard to connect to. So, ensure your speech engages by speaking with conversational tone as you would with a friend. Maintain eye contact with your audience, even inside jokes. And then, this, among others, really go a long way in relaxing your audience and getting them to listen to what you are saying actively. And finally, remember that no one was born a pro at anything. Even those talented at a skill will need lots of practice to be excellent at it. Like former First Lady Hillary Clinton said, "Nobody starts comfortably. You have to learn how to be comfortable." Important, remember that? So to make a great impression on speaking, you must practice speaking. Get friends, family members, or trusted work colleagues to evaluate you. Observe and learn from great speakers who you like to emulate. Soon, you will be an impressive public speaker.